Hey guys, what is up? It's your boy Teddy here, and today I will show you guys a few ways to enter baby freeze, and I will show you guys in a basic way. Alright, but before I start, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification icon, so whenever there's a new video coming out from this channel, you will get notified. Alright, so without any further ado, let's start. Now the first way is to put one of these on the ground. I'm using right hand when I do baby freeze, so I'm gonna put my left knee on the ground like this. Alright, so look at my right leg. Okay, now I'm gonna go to baby freeze. I'm gonna swing my right leg back, and then I'm gonna grab onto the baby freeze like this. Alright, again, do take note, if you are using right hand like me, you want to put your left knee down like this. Okay, so swing your right leg back and quickly grab hold onto the baby freeze. Second way to enter baby freeze is from reverse hook and grab onto the baby freeze. We're going to use the same concept as the first one, but for this one we're going to start with a hook. So now I'm going to hook my right leg onto my left leg. Okay, hook. Now from here I'm going to swing my right leg back, also call this a reverse hook. Swing back, and you can see I'm going to put my left knee back again to the ground. Same concept as the first one. Now what you have to do is just continue and grab onto the baby freeze. Hook, hook. Now the third way to enter baby freeze is from the helicopter, also called this the one step onto the baby freeze. Alright, so because I'm counterclockwise, then I need to switch my freeze hand from right hand at first that I show you guys onto my left hand. Okay, so if you are counterclockwise, you need to freeze with your left hand. Vice versa, if you are clockwise, then you need to freeze with your right hand. This is something that I learned along the way when I learned b-boying. Okay, I wouldn't call this a mistake, but you know, because I'm counterclockwise, at first I should learn or depend more on my left hand. But again, I'm right-handed, that is why, you know, I learned along the way. And the best way is that you are able to do both hands. Okay, you can do freeze with this hand, freeze with right hand. You can counterclockwise your footwork or clockwise your footwork. That's the best thing that you need to do. Okay, so learn both ways for freeze and footwork. That will benefit you a lot. Okay, so again, back to the tutorial. Now, because I'm counterclockwise, I'm going to switch my freeze from right to left. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. One step or helicopter, and then from there we're going to quickly grab onto the baby freeze like this. Okay, so look at my right leg, I'm going to swing, and then I'm going to quickly grab onto the baby freeze. That's it for the tutorial. I just showed you guys the 3 ways to enter baby freeze in a basic form. Make sure you share this video to your friends and family and tag this channel into 100,000 subs. We're almost there, guys. Alright, so that's about it. Thanks for the support, and I'll see you guys on the next one.